Tired of chasing signatures and drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the hassle and explore the streamlined world of in-person signing with DocuSign on your tablet. First, you'll need to launch the DocuSign app on your tablet. Make sure you're logged into your DocuSign account where the document awaiting signature is located. Locate the document that needs to be signed in person. It will typically be marked as waiting for others or something similar. Tap on the document to open it. Review the document carefully to ensure all the information is correct. Once you're ready to proceed, tap the Sign button. This usually appears at the bottom or top of the document. DocuSign will guide you through the fields that require a signature or initials. These fields will be clearly highlighted, making it easy to navigate. When you reach a signature field, simply use your finger or a stylus to sign directly on the screen within the designated box. If you need to correct your signature, there's usually an option to clear and redo it. You may be given the option to adopt a pre-formatted signature style or to draw your own. Choose the option that best suits you or that is requested by the sender. Once you've completed all the required fields, tap the Finish button. This will finalize the signing process. The document is now signed, and DocuSign will automatically send a copy to all parties involved. You've successfully completed an in-person signing using your tablet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DocuSign tips and tricks.